Hello everyone, I thought I would take advantage of this hacked lock and give you guys a much better explanation on how to pick these locks very efficiently. So what I have here is a warded type pick that is designed to pick this type of lock. Now these YALE standards come in a variety of different sizes. So this key is designed to address YALE standard locks that measure 2.5 inches tall, and this is a flat style keyway, but in theory it would also work for the ones that have the spine down the center of the key. So another thing you need to talk about is the total width of the bit. You want that to be about 0.150 minimum. It could be as much as 0.170 in theory, but I've yet to check those exact tolerances. But this one measures 0.150 in width. The key itself measures a total bit height from here to here, 0.300 inch. So, keeping everything in mind, what you're going to do is always pick where the YALE logo faces up, or the shackle pin is on your right. And you're going to insert the key flat, turn it clockwise, and when you do that, you will be picking so that the spring is being compressed in this direction towards the shackle pin. And what you want to do next is have a good understanding of the sequence of picking these locks. So what does that involve? You're going to take a medium-sized hook pick. It could be a European style. Those work really well. And you always want to insert your picks on the left side of the tension key, not on the right, on the left. And that's all relative to the logo facing up. Can't be more specific on that. So next, you're going to pick lever tumbler 1. In order to pick lever tumbler 1 on the left side of the tension key, you want to pick down. Then once you set it, you're going to take your pick out, reverse the hook, and you're going to address lever tumbler 2, and you want to pick up. And then once you do that and set it, you're going to take the pick out, and you're going to pick lever tumbler 3 down. Once you set it, keeping the tension, you're going to take the hook pick out, and you're going to pick lever tumbler 4 up. So that is the most effective way. And why do I say in that sequence? Because if you understand the way these locks work, the actual fence is a long protrusion. You can't see it, that's buried in here. And where the most force tends to be initially is close up to the closest to lever tumbler 4. And if there's any kind of slop, that slop is going to play out as you set each lever tumbler sequentially. And it will become more efficient to hold your or set your lever tumblers if you work in the proper picking sequence. Now, yes, that could be a matter of where. I'm going to give you guys that. But in theory, guys, picking in this down, up sequence, always on the left side, that's it. That should be the most efficient way. And if you do that, you're going to have a picked lock. Now, I always recommend that you impression your key blank prior to picking for the ward cut positions. Once you do that, then it's just a matter of impressioning the key. And using a soft blank such as brass, that's going to work a lot easier as opposed to using a steel key. A steel key, yes, in theory you could impression it, but you're more likely to damage the surface of the lever tumblers. You want to keep those lever tumblers as flat as possible. So if you use a hard metal trying to impression, you're going to damage the tumblers, guys. So make sure you use a brass material to do your impressioning, just to get your depths figured out. And then you take those measurements, and then you can go ahead and transfer that to a steel key. So anyway, I hope you guys learned something here. Let's take advantage of these hacked locks, which I really don't like to do. And let's make it useful so we can make these locks work again. Thank you for watching.